Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depende kung anong oras mo mapapanood ang video na to. And right now, my task is to present to you the Massive Pros Business Proposal. Experience unlimited cash flow the massive way. We are an affiliate program of Unlimited Network of Opportunities International Corporation. Marahil nagtatanong ka ngayon, ano nga ba ang Massive Pro? Ang Massive Pro ay isang proven and tested business program na kung saan ay pwede kang kumita. Kahit ano bang background mo, mapa-empleyado ka man, OFW o negosyante, ay pwede ka dito. We provide a doable, simple, and effective program na makakatulong sa'yo at sa buong pamilya mo na magkaroon ng additional source of income. We have our offices in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. We have our office in Baguio, Calamba, Cebu, West Local, Jensen, and West Premier. Hindi lamang po tayo pang Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. We have our office in Hong Kong, Gabon, USA, Cameroon, Lagos, Aba, London, UK, and Bahrain. So, ibig sabihin po, ang program na pinapakinggan mo ngayon, hindi lamang po ito pang lokal, ito po ay isang international program. And we completed all our permits and legalities. We have papers from DTI, GMB. Our products are all FDA approved, halal certified, SEC registered din po yung ating company, and ISO certified, which stands for International Organization for Standardization. Kung natatanong ka ilang taon na ba ang kumpanya natin, we are 18 years in the industry. And how to be part of Massive Pro? Step 1, kailangan lang may nag-refer sa'yo. Step 2, kailangan mo lang mapresentahan ng ating negosyo. And step number 3 is be one of our business partners and avail our starter package. Yes, this is business partnership, not membership. The difference between membership and partnership is, ang membership, the moment mag-member ka, wala nang obligation yung tao nagpa-sponsor sa'yo. On the other hand, pag business partnership naman, the moment mag-start up ka sa isang program, dyan pa lang po magsisimula yung team up ninyong dalawa. So ito po ay isang business partnership. So how much is the starter package? Our starter package is only 11,698. And your potential cash flow income is you can earn from 1,500 to 15,000 pesos per day o up to 45,000 to 450,000 pesos per month. Ganyan po kaganda ang cash flow income ng ating program. And this will be your benefits. Products amounting up to 11,000 plus, 120,000 family accident insurance, 30% up to 50% lifetime discounts, sales kit, marketing tools or materials, online portfolio wherein you can track all your records, transactions, cash withdrawals, and all. That will serve as your online secretary, treasurer, auditor, lahat po andyan na. We also provide you free local and international travel incentives, free trainings, inheritance clause, and online store and drop shipping system. So all of these will be your return of investments. So how to earn? Ano bang pamamaraan ng pagkita dito sa Massive Pro? Cash flow number 1, consume or share the products. Dito po ang gagawin natin, brand shifting lang. Instead of using or purchasing products from malls or supermarkets, dito ka na lang po bibili at gagamit ng ating mga produkto. The good thing, wala po tayong quota. Ibig sabihin, hindi po mandatory ang pagbibenta ng ating mga produkto. Well, pwedeng i-retail and all profit will be yours. Pwede kang kumita from 30% up to 50% at pwede din po i-consume ang ating mga produkto. What products are we into? We are into health and beauty products. Very in demand sa market ngayon. At the same time, basic commodities. Ginagamit ng mga tao araw-araw. Highly consumable, we have 30 plus product lines, proven, safe, and effective. Ganyan po kaganda ang ating mga produkto. And our products are all PPD registered. Ibig sabihin po, listed in the Philippine Pharmaceutical Directory. So even mga doctors, they can prescribe or recommend our products. So our products also are Super Brands Awardee, the world's largest arbiter of branding. So we have 3 categories of our products. First, food supplements. Second, healthy beverages. Third, our personal care products. For more details about our products, you can ask or inquire yung tao na nag-refer sa'yo dito sa ating program. Cash flow number 2, get your referrals. So dito po, we'll have to use our connections. Okay? So dito, since we are into business partnership, dito po mag-merge ang atin pong program. Your connection and my expertise. Your effort is only 10%. 90% will be our effort. Kami po ang magpapaliwanag ng ating business proposal. Alam kong ikaw may kakilala ka. Alam kong umabot ng 10 yung kakilala mo. Now, yung 10 kakilala mo, alam ko, may 10 kakilala din sila. So, yung 10 na yan, magiging 100. Yung 100 na yan, may tig sa 10 kakilala din yan, magiging 1,000 na. Yung 1,000 na yan, may tig sa 10 kakilala din, magiging 10,000 na. So, sir, ang tanong dito po ba, kailangan ba namin ng 10,000 na kakilala? Hindi po. You don't need 10,000. You don't need 1,000. You don't need 100. You don't need 10. You only need at least 2 to 4 serious people dito sa ating program. Again, that's 2 to 4 connections. The good thing, every time makapag-refer ka at maging part ng ating program, every referral mo, may matatanggap ka ng 1,750 pesos. Again, that's 1,750 per referral. For example, in 1 month, nakapag-refer ka 4. Yung 4 na yan, kumita ka ng 7,000 pesos. Pwede na pang extra income. That's cash flow number 2. Cash flow number 3, match sales program. So dito po, meron tayong formula na 1 left plus 1 right is equal to income. First up to 5th pair mo, you will earn 500. 6th up to 10th pair mo, you will earn 1,000. 11 up to infinity, you will earn 1,500. This will be your monthly income projection. For example, ikaw yan, the moment magsimula ka sa ating program, we will create your group or your team. At tatawagin natin siyang left sales team and right sales team. Let's assume, in your first month, nakapag-refer ka ng 4. Yung 4 na yan, hahatiin natin sa 2. Yung 2 nasa left, yung 2 naman nasa right. And you will earn 1,000 pesos. In your second month, yung 2 magre-refer lang din, tag-4. So in your second month, yung 2 magiging 8 na. 8 sa left, 8 sa right, and you will earn 6,500. In your third month, yung 8 magre-refer lang din, tag-4. So magiging 32 sa left, 32 sa right, at total of 32 pairs, and you will earn 48,000 pesos. In your fourth month, yung 32, magre-refer lang din tag-4. Magiging 128 na sa left, 128 sa right, at total of 128 pairs times 1,500 per pair, you will earn 192,000 pesos. In your fifth month, yung 128 mo, magre-refer lang din tag-4. So magiging 512 na sa left, 512 sa right, at total of 512 pairs, and you will earn 450,000, and so on and so forth. Imagine, you can earn up to 450,000 dito sa program natin. Magkano ba startup capital mo? 11,698 lang. Pero, pwede kang kumita up to 450,000 pesos dito sa program natin. Pero for example, sir, what if hindi ko siya makompleto, hindi siya maging perfect? Okay, let's say for example, hindi maging perfect. What if na lang kumita ka ng 10%? Now, you will earn 45,000 pesos. Not bad. Tama ba? Sobrang ganda ng ating program. That's cash flow number 3. Cash flow number 4, royalty bonus program. Every referral mo na natulungan mong kumita, may 3% ka na bonus sa bawat income nila. So more referral na kumikita, the more income. Di ba kanina sabi ko sa'yo, mag-refer ka lang ng tao dito sa ating program. Every referral mo, may 3% royalty bonus ka sa kita nila. For example, nakapag-refer ka 6. Yung 6 na yan kumita, tigwa 100,000 every month. Now, you will earn 3% royalty bonus and you will earn 18,000 pesos from their overall income. Regardless kung magkano yung kita nila, may 3% royalty bonus ka. Sir, ang tanong ko, kunin ba yan sa kita nila? Hindi po. The company will provide the royalty bonus program. That's cash flow number 4. Cash flow number 5, Unilevel bonus program. Enjoy 5% cashback every personal purchase. Di ba meron tayong mga products? The moment maging part na natin program, I will advise, use and consume our products. Every time you purchase our products, you will enjoy 5% cashback. For example, isang buwan, nakapag-purchase ka ng worth of 10,000 pesos. Now, the company will give you 5%, you will have 500 pesos cashback. Every time bibili ka, kumikita ka. Now, here's the good thing. Your organization will consume or share also our products. Now, you can enjoy 24% cashback to the overall group sales in your organization. Again, 24% income sa bawat gumamit o bumili ng ating mga products. For example, yung whole group mo, 1 month nakapag-purchase ng 100,000. Now, you will earn 24%, meron ka pong 24,000 passive income. Ganyan po kaganda ang program na ginagawa po natin. So these are proofs na meron talaga mga kumikita at natulungan ng ating program. The Massive Pro Real Result Testimonies. We have our here Massive Changer Club, OFWs. Iba't ibang mga bansa po yan, pero kumikita because of our program. We have from Kuwait, Japan, Taiwan, Saudi, Belgium. Imagine, gaano kaganda ang program na ginagawa po natin. Sa lahat ng mga nasa abroad, mas maganda. Kung OFW ka nanonood right now, I will advise you, grab this program because being an OFW is not a lifetime opportunity. Uuwi ka ng Pilipinas. Mas maganda, pag uwi mo ng Pilipinas, may negosyong nag-aantay sa'yo. We also have here our Massive Changers Club Balik Bayan program. Former OFWs na ngayon po ay nasa Pilipinas na for good. Former OFW from Lebanon, from Saudi, and from Kuwait City. Imagine, nakakatulong po tayo sa kapwa Pilipino po natin. We also have here our Massive Changers Club part-timers. Part-time po na ginagawa ang ating program. We also have here our Massive Changers Club professionals, active police, assistant internal auditor, accounting staff, registered pharmacist, teacher 1 from Sikihor, and public school teacher, teacher 3 from Cananga, Leyte. So imagine, kahit na sobrang busy po sa kanilang mga trabaho na ipagsasabing gawin ang ating program. Our Massive Changers Club junior partners, that's me. Yes, that's me po. I was a former sales manager and Coach Remejoy Ganuhay, a former IT Tech support. We also have here our international top earners na iba-iba mga backgrounds at the same time another international top earners. Ganyan po kaganda ang program na ginagawa po natin. So why Massive Pro? First, we have a very doable, simple, and effective program. Kahit na nasa ang panig ka man ng mundo, bit-bit mo at dala mo ang ating program. Anytime, anywhere. All-out support system. Dito, hindi mo siya gagawin na mag-isa. Sobrang dami pong mga tao ang tutulong sa'yo. Proven and tested program na ang dami na pong mga kumikita from any walks of lives, pero po natutulungan ng ating program. We also have here a very fit to all government employees, businessmen, professionals, and OFWs. Results-oriented, ang dami na pong kumita, complete skills and techniques. Tuturuan ka at tutulungan ka on how to do our program. Firm foundation of legalities and credentials. Napaka-legit ng ating program. No territorial boundaries. Ito po isa sa mga pinaka-nagustuhan ko sa ating program. Kahit saan ka mang lupalop ng mundo, bit-bit mo at dala mo ang ating program. Strong leadership and legacy or hereditary. Ibig sabihin po, pwedeng ipamana ang ating program sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. Transferable po ang ating pong program. So right now, let's talk about the reality. Hindi man kita kilala, I don't know you personally, hindi ko alam ano yung struggle mo as of the moment, but I'll tell you right now, sobrang dami po ang mga wala talagang trabaho. At hindi ibig sabihin na wala kang trabaho, wala ka ng gastos. Marami pa rin tuloy-tuloy yung gastos natin. So ang tanong, saan tayo kumukuha ng panggastos natin kung wala tayong source of income? Kaya marami right now nababaon talaga sa utang kahit na wala pa man ng trabaho. Kasi kahit na walang trabaho, ang gastos po tuloy-tuloy. Kung may trabaho naman po tayo, dito lamang po umiikot yung ating sahod sa mga basic needs natin. Pagkain, tubig, tirahan. Lalo na pag taga-province ka, nasa city ka, talagang nagbabayad ka ng boarding house mo, ng apartment mo. So, technically, kulang talaga yung kita natin. Sa dami diba naman ng ating mga obligasyon every month, tapos isa lang yung income natin, talagang negative po yan. At kung may trabaho naman po tayo, this is the rat race cycle. May trabaho ka, kumikita ka, pangbayad sa mga bills, pambili ng mga lifestyles natin, wala tayong savings, uutang na naman tayo. Trabaho ulit, income, mga bayarin, lifestyle natin, wala namang savings, utang ulit. And that is the rat race cycle. So the question is, do you see yourself facing this financial struggle? Ako po, I was there before. Dati po akong empleyado ng 5 taon at sobrang hirap talaga. Paulit-ulit. And I was praying for a breakthrough in my life. And the good thing, nakita ko po ang program na ginagawa natin right now. And of course, price increase on inflation. Sobrang mahal na mga bilihin right now. sobrang nagtataasan ng mga presyo ng mga bilihin. So ang tanong, kumusta ang sahod natin? Talagang kukulangin talaga. So pag kulang yung income natin, dagdagan po natin. Walang masama na habang tayo po ay may trabaho, meron po tayong another source of income. Ang masama doon, alam na nga kulang yung kita mo, wala ka po pong ginawa. And according to Bill Gates, if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. Right now po, very trending ang online. Dapat kang sumabay. Lahat ng tao ngayon nasa online na. We have to maximize and use our social media properly. Pwede ka pong kumita sa online. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng ating program. So, our business transaction process, first, buy a package. Pag nakapili ka na ng package mo, pwede mo ipadala yung payment mo through Palawan, GCash, or any bank transfers. After that, maklaim namin, matatatak sa office. After office transaction, ipapadeliver sa'yo. And congratulations, you can start now our program. So get started now, and together, let's experience unlimited cash flow the massive way. Thank you, and to God be all the glory.